Okay, my name is Hendrik O'Neill. I'm a Zimbabwean. I live in Bulawayo, which is the second biggest city in Zimbabwe. I was referred to Aarex Medical Services by a friend of mine who had been over here for an operation and had been suitably impressed with the knee operation. And Dr. Sachin took care of that. The results before and after photographs are incredible. I'm recovering easily, recovering well. Right up until discharge, I've received nothing but very professional advice, being kept up to date with exactly what's been going on and working into the release date and into the future. Should anyone out there want to contact Aarex and consider being treated in India, I would highly recommend it. Ramesh makes the effort of matching the doctor to the ailment, and he gives you so many more options. There is absolutely no question in my mind that any other medical procedure I will consider India. It's only a couple of hours further away than South Africa even, but your options and your aftercare are just a world of difference, an absolute world of difference. I would highly recommend Aarex as a first port of call. India has world-renowned surgeons in all aspects of the medical field. So, cost, when it comes to cost, people think, maybe everyone's just looking at a cheaper option. It's not that. They've got very professional doctors and the nursing staff are beyond compare. So I would not hesitate to look at India as a port of call for medical challenges that you might have. And then the plus is that it's probably 50% cheaper than South Africa. That's probably all I've got to say about that. But I was absolutely pleasantly surprised. Thank you to Ramesh, who's now become a friend, and to all the doctors and specialists and the nursing staff here at Fortress Hospital for what they did for me. Thank you.